Hey guys, today I'm playing When the Game is Real Part 2. So I had to progress because my recording cut off, but it's the same thing as the old one. Or the sad face. Yeah, same thing. And last time we seen an elephant and a woman crying of the sun. Just leave us. Not Alright. Recording cut off because, well, alright. And also I wanna be a YouTuber. Everyone looks up to. Like ever since my mom. It's some business. I just always wanted to be someone. I want to be like Dennis Gale. Yeah. Laughability stocks for one. Peak YouTubers, by the way. Flamingo. Where? Meow time for. Then. I like playing games, making recordings. So please comment on the videos to tell me what game I should play next. And maybe, just maybe, I can step you on. And also we're on our way to 50 subscribers for my first stream. Yes, first ever in a. Just leave us, please. Okay. Hey, what's up? What's this? Oh, that's weird. Oh. Oh crap! Oh, ooh, disgusting. I don't want to die. You know what? I regret even living in after. Is that's real? Oh damn, that is real. Oh crap! You are saying very gory things. Yeah. Oh, damn. Oh, hey, elephant. Oh god. My last floor warning. Alright. Yeah, that's bats trains. See part 3. Please. What the hell?